Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know on this channel I have done a video on how to wear scarf as tops for summer. So if you love to wear scarf as summer, definitely watch that video. I'll link in the cards. But right now we're going to talk about how to tie scarf as head wraps. So all my head wraps ladies out there that have silk scarf, I want to teach you guys different ways that you can tie scarf just to be fashionable. It mustn't really be for church or for a religious event, but just different simple ways, easy ways to tie scarf. If you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share my videos to your loved ones. So guys, I have a silk scarf with me. This is a very simple silk scarf. You can get it for 500 or less. It depends on where you go and get your scarf. This I really love. Like, it has some white polka dot on it, so it's going to match with the color I'm currently wearing. Then it has blue. You can match this with yellow, you can match this with red, several colors. So that's why I like silk scarf. So one of the easiest steps is to just tie it like this. The very first step. Many of us know how to do this. Like when you're going to catechism or you're going to church, it's very easy when you tie your silk scarf. So I'll tie it like this. Then tie it one more time. So you guys can see, very simple, very easy. You can even wear this when you're going out, so you don't really need to wear scarf for a religious event. So if you want to go out and just want to give your outfit a little bit of an upgrade, or you want to dress it up, you can tie a scarf on top of it like this. If you enjoy this, my easy ways to tie scarf, this last one is one of my favorites, because if you don't have like a scrunchie for your hair or a rubber band and you just needed something to tie your hair, your silk scarf can actually do that for you, and you can see how cute it is. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. You know, the more you share, the more people get to see my videos. Bye guys.